So you got the new iPhone, you're looking at cases, but what if your favorite case isn't MagSafe compatible? Now, most cases these days are wireless charging compatible, so it may still work with the wireless charger, but getting a really nice, strong connection requires the use of magnets. And obviously, Apple cases, they have magnets embedded in them. A lot of cases are starting to come out with MagSafe compatibility, but still there are some that just haven't gotten there yet. For example, the Spigen ThinFit. The Spigen ThinFit is my favorite case by Spigen. And while Spigen has come out with their Mag Armor and the Tough Armor, which are both MagSafe compatible, I've yet to see it for the ThinFit. I'm sure it's coming soon, but what am I gonna do in the meantime? And that's where the HaloLock universal ring comes into play. So basically, I've already applied it to the ThinFit. It's just a magnet ring that essentially transforms almost any case into a MagSafe compatible case. Now, obviously, the ring has to be able to stick to the back of the case. So if you have some kind of weird back material on your case, or let's say you're using a wallet case, then most likely it's not gonna work. But for most cases like the ThinFit, or like the case we're gonna be looking at today, which is the Kung Fu Grip from Smartish, it's a clear case, it should work just fine. So we're gonna apply the magnetic ring, we're gonna test it out, and hey, maybe this is a solution for you. Maybe you have a case that you need to transform, or you want to convert into MagSafe, and maybe this is a way that you can accomplish that without having to go out and buy another case. So let's jump into it. So as I mentioned before, I've already applied the magnetic ring, the HaloLock universal ring, to the Spigen ThinFit, and I applied it comes in two colors. Comes in here. Let me open the box real quick. On the inside of the box, get a little tray here. All right, you get some instructions. You do get some cleaning wipes. You get a wet wipe and a dry wipe. It is important to clean the case before you apply anything like a screen protector or this magnetic ring. You always want to make sure that you clean the surface. And then you get two different application templates. One for the iPhone and one for Samsung devices. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to buy this product for it, it will work. And then essentially what you get is this little plastic alignment tool. And basically the way it works is, so I'm gonna take off the top, and for example, let's say I'm using the iPhone and I've got a 12 Pro Max here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this bottom setting, and this is USB-C. This is Lightning. This is made to stick into the bottom of your phone. You'll see more here in a second. So I'm going to connect this into that, push that down. So now this is the alignment template. And this is what we'll use to make sure that we get the ring applied on the right spot of the phone. So as I said before, it comes with the black version of the ring, and then you also get this metallic kind of silver version. So if you notice, here's the two different color differences. You get black, and then you get a silver metallic version of the magnetic ring. And so I put the black ring on the black case. By the way, I have done a review of the Spigen ThinFit, this version of the case here. It is new this year, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link down below. And now we're going to apply the silver ring to the lighter case of the Smartish Kung Fu Grip. First step, number one, is we most definitely want to clean the case. Now that we have cleaned everything, we're ready to place the magnet on. One of the things I like to do is I'll place the template on the phone, and then I'll just make sure that I get it in the right spot by grabbing my MagSafe charger, just getting it nice and aligned. So make sure that's charging. It is. So that's kind of where I want the ring to go. All right, let's get that nice and straight on there. And then actually what I'm going to do, as opposed to having that, I'm just going to put just a couple pieces of tape right here. This should keep that nice and straight. Okay. All right, once you get it lined up, Let's open up the package. Like so. And then, so there is a sticky side, so there's plastic right here in the middle. We're going to peel that plastic off, and that's going to leave us with the sticky side exposed. And I'm actually going to turn this to the side so I can better see what I'm doing here. And we're just going to line this up. There. Okay. Take this off. See how that looks. Give it a nice tight seal. All right, the ring is on the case. So the next thing we want to do is we want to test it real quick, just to make sure everything's working. So first and foremost, we flip this over here. I'm going to apply the charger. And there you go. And it has a really nice tight seal to it now, which is really nice. So it works perfect for MagSafe charging. We grab a wallet. All right, here's my favorite wallet, the Moft wallet. Put that on there, and you get a nice, tight connection with the wallet as well. All right. So that is the ESR HaloLock universal ring. You can use this ring to turn almost any case into a MagSafe compatible phone case. So I hope this video helped. If you like this content, give me a subscribe down below. I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Peace.